My name is Rick Nelson. I work at Norton as a technical trainer, and I'm going to talk today about the die grinder. So with any new tool, you want to read the manual for proper operating procedures. Before each use, you want to inspect the tool for any damage, and also you want to make sure the tool is lubricated. The tool runs at a maximum 90 psi, so we want to set our air line to 90. And also the proper protective equipment. So here at Norton, we recommend safety glasses, face shield to protect your face, earplugs, gloves, and a lab coat to keep your clothing clean. So at this point, we want to check the rotation of the tool to see where the chips are going to fly, or sparks. You want to hook up your airline, squeeze the throttle, just to get an idea of where it's going to go. So once you've picked out the particular product you're going to use for your project, you want to mount it securely in the machine. So place it in the collet, tighten it by hand. Take the 2 supplied wrenches that you have in the box, and make sure you tighten it up. Now you're ready to grind. So this die grinder is designed to use mounted points, carbide burrs, cartridge rolls, unified wheels, and mini flat wheels. All of these products can be found on our website, nortonabrasives.com, or contact your local Norton rep.